your webinar title should be very interesting. Don't you think? Even I see there are so many people who do, even so many leaders in network marketing, they host a Zoom meeting. Okay, they host a Zoom webinar and they say, okay, invite all your friends in this Zoom meeting. And you know what is the title of that Zoom meeting? Title of this Zoom meeting is Best Business in the World. Business, money making opportunity. How to make money through Amway. How to make money through Forever. Forever Living product, best business in the world. A business which you can do from your home. Like this. Yes or no? These all are webinar titles. Yes or no? Okay. Business of 21st century. Now these are the titles of the webinar. Now just imagine if I invite one of my friend to this webinar. Okay. If my upline shares this, suppose some of the leaders shares this invitation to you and they say business opportunity presentation, BOPP, correct? BOP, business opportunity presentation. And you get this invitation and you forward it to your friends. Now don't you think there is no hook, there is no title, there is nothing which is making that person curious, correct? There is no word which is making other person curious, yes or no? Business opportunity presentation, right? What type of business? Why should I attend it? A person may have multiple questions, multiple resistances, and this title is not making the person curious enough or excited enough to attend the webinar, yes or no? So the number one problem is here. People don't know what should be the title of the webinar. Okay, so would you like to know some, this is known as copywriting skill. Okay, this is known as copywriting skills. So the title of your webinar should be in such a way that the other person should feel excited and curious about, I want to know more about it. Okay, so what I'm going to share with you is very simple method. Okay, so you know, one of the biggest mistake with which most of the network marketers do, one very big mistake which what most of the network marketers do is, suppose this is a network marketer. Okay, now suppose this is the camera, this is the camera. Okay, so most of the network marketers think that the camera focus should be on me, yes or no? Sometimes we do the webinar saying that, you know, today we are hosting a webinar by Mr. XYZ, and this person is just 25 years old. He is making 10 lakh, 20 lakh per month. He is going to explain how he is making this much of money. So the entire focus is on your upline. Entire focus is on the showbazi. Entire focus is on the materialistic things. You know, when you when you share such kind of invitation, we used to think that our prospects are, it is going to generate desire in prospects mind, correct? We think that this is going to this is going to make the other, increase the desire of the person, okay? We think like this. But don't you think these days, if you share invitation like this, it does not create desire, it actually creates doubt. And when such kind of invitation, when we always try to emphasize on person's achievement, okay, this person has achieved this, he has gone through, he has traveled around the world, okay, he was Zomato rider and now he is riding on Audi and BMW. So people don't, it does not ignite the desire, it actually creates a doubt in person's mind, our prospect's mind. Now that is a reality, we need to understand this, correct? So camera focus should not be on a person. Now this is what I want to train you. Camera focus should not be on the person. The camera focus should be on the message. Okay, camera focus should not be on the person. Camera focus should be on the message which we want to deliver, which a prospect actually wants to know, which prospect actually is really interested in. Is it clear? So camera focus should not be on you, it should be on the message which ignites the curiosity, desire, excitement, and also one line, one message. Okay, it is a combination of many things. Yesterday we discussed about human psychology. Okay, so human psychology, just imagine, this is the basics of copywriting skills. Okay, that is, our message should be in such a way that it should ignite desire of a human being. Prospect is who? Prospect is just a human being, correct? He is a human being. So our message should ignite the desire. Our message should make the other person curious. Okay, curious to know more by what is this. Okay, a message should be something which kill fear, which kill resistance also. Okay, suppose if I say how to make 1 crore per month, it will ignite your desire. It will make you curious, but you will say, okay, how to make 1 crore per month? Oh, faltu ki baat hai. Okay, nonsense. Correct? Got it? But it is not a complete sentence. Now I'm going to give you an example of how to write a title of your webinar which makes the other person curious. Are you ready for this? Just type I am ready, because what you are going to learn now is truly world class. Okay, this is going to be world class. It should ignite the desire, makes other person curious, it should kill the fear, it should kill the resistances, and then the person will automatically say, Arey sir, I saw your poster, I am really interested to know more, I want to join your webinar. That person will automatically come to you. He will read each and every email, he will see each and every notification, and he or she will attend the complete webinar as well, if it is really if it is really hitting the emotions. Okay. So what I'm doing here is very simple title. I give this example always, but just very simple example I am sharing here. Okay, suppose your webinar title is, okay, how to earn rupees, example, okay, 1 lakh per month. How to earn rupees 1 lakh per month, okay, without something, okay, without any office or employees. How to make 1 lakh per month without any office or employees. Another thing, okay, how to make 1 lakh per month without any office or employees. Okay. And we can add more things. No monthly investment, no no paid tools, no paid ads. Okay, no need to buy any courses. Okay, even if how to earn rupees 1 lakh per month without any office or employees, no monthly investment, no paid tools, no paid ads, no need to buy any courses. Okay, 100% money back in 30 days if you don't make money. Now just read it and just tell me, if I give you this webinar title, would you attend my webinar? Yes or no? Just tell me this, yes or no. Simple. Okay, I'm not sharing my photo, I'm not saying, okay, I'm a top achiever and how much money I have made and all those things. I'm not discussing anything here. I'm just literally saying this. How to earn rupees 1 lakh per month without any office or employees, no monthly investment, no paid tools, no paid ads, no need to buy any courses, 100% money back in 30 days if you don't make money. Now what do you think? Is it going to is it going to make you really interested to join the webinar? Yes or no? Yes, you will join the webinar.